Maybe you already noticed how one small choice, to save or not to save, echoes further than you think. Like a pebble in a pond, the ripples keep going, long after you've forgot dropping it. Every time you help someone wisely, your nervous system floods with the same chemicals that keep you alive: dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin. Your biology rewards you for giving. You become the person others trust. That trust returns to you tenfold in moments when you need it most. Whole cultures rise or collapse on this loop. When people save each other, civilizations flourish. When they hoard, civilizations rot. You're a cell in a universal body. If you refuse to circulate life, the body sickens, and cells that hoard die isolated. And isn't it fascinating how the loop mirrors itself from neurons to nation, from family to forest, from individual to infinity? Now imagine yourself 5 years from now. If you embody this loop, your life feels magnetic. People are drawn to you. Opportunities appear like fruit on a tree, because others sense you're nourishing the orchard. You die remembered as someone who lifted others, and by doing so, lifted themselves. If you refuse the loop, you wither. Your life feels hollow. You get stuck in loneliness, resentment, addiction. You become the one who choked on their own oxygen mask while pretending to be fine. And notice how your body already leans towards this first future because it feels lighter. Your brain has mirror neurons. They literally fire when you see others thrive. Helping another person is helping yourself. Your heart's electromagnetic field syncs with those you aid. Science confirms it. And karma, that's just physics with longer memory. Every cause ripples. Every rescue returns. Every refusal echoes back. When you ignore the loop, you suffer. Anxiety, because your nervous system craves contribution. Depression, because your life lacks significance. Resentment, because deep down, you know you're betraying your nature. Not saving others wisely, it's like refusing to exhale. You suffocate on your own withheld breath. And you may not realize just yet, your unconscious mind is already learning to recognize moments when saving wisely also saves you. And as you imagine right now what it's like to walk into a future where every act of balanced giving makes you stronger, richer, freer, you can allow yourself to let this pattern install so deeply that it becomes automatic, effortless, natural. Because isn't it true? You don't have to try to breathe in. You don't have to force yourself to breathe out. Saving wisely can become just like that, a reflex of life itself. Listen, if you fuck this up, if you keep hoarding, isolating, pretending you don't need the loop, you'll burn out. No one remembers the martyr who died bitter. They remember the person who kept their oxygen mask on and still had enough air to pass around. The world doesn't need another exhausted saviour. It needs someone who knows, to save others, I first save myself. So together, we all breathe. And so, even now, your unconscious can begin rewiring. So every inhale reminds you, I stabilize me. And every exhale reminds you, I stabilize us. The big picture is simple. When you save others wisely, you save yourself. When you refuse, you collapse. When you distort it into martyrdom, you drown together. But when you balance it, you create a future where your life is remembered, your presence is felt, and your impact ripples forever. And maybe, just maybe, you've already begun living that future without even trying.